Little Wonders TV. Today I'm going to show you my Little Life Pets birds from Argos. So at the back we got Bubble Pop, Rockin' Ricky, Sweet Harmony, Dancing Danny, Poppin Polly have that one, Disco Daisy, and these two have the cages, which are Ballerina and Funky Feathers. It says that 30 bird calls. I don't know what that means, but anyway. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Hard. There we are. There we are. Some paper. There we are. We have Disco Daisy. She looks so cute and so fluffy. Says I record and repeat every word. So let's open it. Oops. Isn't he cute? Put some batteries in. Have her wings. Now here we are. My bird's back with me and she's with some energy. Fluff her back, she sings. I love you, you're so cute. Press that. I love you. Isn't that cute? She's got some sharp teeth. Beautiful. She sings, look.